You always want to be part of something that's successful. One of my philosophies of life is no man is complete until they're part of something greater than themselves.
I've always wanted to feel like the work I do makes a difference. And being a part of Prairie Ridge Health and the foundation, I know that I'm doing that every day. I see the impact that the foundation has on not only the facility and the community, but on the individual people.
I love being part of the foundation because it's bringing all the area communities together. The reason that they're raising the money is because of the caring that this hospital has for all of their patients, their team members.
Providing rural health care takes a community, and I think our foundation provides that sense of community and a conduit for our community to be more involved in providing great health care to the communities that we serve.
The foundation is the face of Prairie Ridge Health, and people that volunteer at all of our events means so much to us because not only are they helping us raise money, which isn't the most important part, we are telling the community and educating them what Prairie Ridge Health is all about.
When you're talking about that sense of community and what communities need to thrive, they're a part of that.
The foundation hosts wonderful events throughout the year to tie into the community. One being the Taste and Toast in the spring. We have a golf outing, we have a trap shoot. These are all our big items to raise money throughout the year.
That ability to make a difference for not only themselves, but for other people is why people give. They want to do more. They want to give back. They want the hospital to remain as viable as it is currently today.
When it comes to donations, there's that saying, give till it hurts. I don't buy that. I take the saying, give till it feels good. When you donate and give to someone or some entity, and it goes on to help other people, you get that rewarding feeling that you've helped someone, whether you know them or not.
I think it's important for the community to give back to Prairie Ridge because many of their family members, their community members, have been impacted by the hospital, and anything they give or support is only going to make it that much better of an experience when they come.
Through the gifts that we receive from our donors, we're able to implement the increase in technology, the better collaboration between our departments, the warmer feeling that they get, and overall just the increase of care that they are able to receive at Prairie Ridge Health.
The foundation is amazing because they work endlessly on finding ways to create money to put it back into the hospital. The joy we have in supporting different departments when they come with their wishes, and they know what they need and want, and maybe it just can't fit in the budget. So we're very proud when we're able to make those dreams come true.
Some of our major initiatives that we've been able to support in the recent years have included our new simulation lab, as well as fetal non-stress test equipment, a Luna newborn simulation mannequin, a Victoria life-size adult mannequin that will birth a baby. All of these types of equipment allow our team to become not only confident, but more competent in their skill set, which is going to better serve our patients.
The sim lab's a great example. We didn't ask them to do that. Our team is competent. What the sim lab does is that helps to provide confidence for our team members in any situation that they come across. And I think that confidence means better care in our community, better care for our patients.
I consider Columbus is very fortunate in the resources it has, but the foundation around all that is the community hospital. We're just very fortunate to have within minutes what some people would have to travel hours or even some places days to get the level of service that Prairie Ridge offers.
That's what makes Prairie Ridge so special, is that you aren't just a number when you come here, and with the foundation's help, we're able to give you the same feeling and equipment needs that you would get from a larger facility, but keeping it close to home. Another thing that we're really passionate about is the establishment of our Healthcare Careers Scholarship Endowment that will allow us to fund scholarships throughout our entire service area for the future healthcare workers.
We're seeing rural healthcare become something new. We're adding services that were never dreamed of in this organization in the past, serving our communities close to home. I think foundations allow for that. They allow for our organization to go in new directions that serve our community.
The donors are the lifeblood of the foundation, because you know that every dollar that comes into the facility truly is making a difference, because we can see it every day with the stories that we hear from our patients.
Our sons were born here, and when the oldest one was born, his lungs weren't fully developed, and that's a big concern for a parent. So you see your son in an incubator, along comes a nurse, puts her arm around you and says, it'll be all right, 24 hours in incubator, and everything will be fine. And sure enough, it was. So that element of caring for your patients really was the added benefit to healing faster. That connection that's there is just a good healing feeling.
To be part of this foundation, I am so proud because it's just like family here. The culture is so nice, and you can come into a place that is safe and they care for each other. You can just see it by walking down the hallways.
Our team sets us apart. Our culture sets us apart. I think our focus on the patient, I know that that's a bit cliche in healthcare, but that's why we're here. We're lucky to be able to serve patients, and they need us.
People don't care how much you know until they know how much you care. And I think in Columbus, Prairie Ridge is a caring facility.
I just know that what we're doing is for the better cause, and every day I see the pride in a donor's face or a patient's story, a teammate's ability to provide better care. I see it every day, and I couldn't be more proud of the work we do at the foundation.